Hey YouTube, Dr. O. Got a 2007 Toyota Corolla, got a 1.8 liter, has a code P0171 in it, indicating that the engine's running lean. Pretty common on these to have leaky intake manifolds, and I'm going to show you how you can figure that out. Okay, so we've got our smoke machine hooked up to the intake. We've got it turned on. We're putting smoke in the system. Now this is going to be pretty difficult to see the smoke with the camera. So we're going to use we're going to try to get the camera down in there to take a look at this. What we're going to be looking at, like I said, is where the intake manifold meets the head. There is smoke coming out of it. We can see it clearly here without the camera. But I'm going to show you that if you don't have a smoke machine and you have some way to introduce, a regulated amount of air pressure into the intake, like 1 to 2 pounds, you can use like a Soapy Water solution to find this leak too. So we're going to see if we can't zoom in here, and I'll show you. See if we can get down in here so where we can see what's going on. I'll try to. You can see, we can try to see where the bubbles are generating there. Let me see if I can move the light to get a better view here for you. We'll squirt some Soapy Water solution down there, and you can see the water starting to bubble up there. And that's right where the intake and the head come together. Get a little more down in there so you can see what's. But yeah, it's quite obvious. Here, move that other light. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see without proper lighting here. See if we can move this around. But at any rate, you can see a lot of bubbles generating there. There is a fair amount of smoke coming up here too, but like I said, it's pretty difficult to see on the video. But you get the point there. So we're going to take and clean this soapy water out of here with a blow nozzle. I'm going to show you another way that you might be able to diagnose it, assuming you have a scan tool. Okay, I went ahead and started the car, and I've got a couple PIDs up here on the scan tool. Now you can do this if you have just a cheap scan tool that can read the generic bidirectional data. Read the data stream on your car. So come over here and take a look at what we got selected. You can see on the scan tool here, the PIDs I've selected are the coolant temperature, short-term fuel trim, and long-term fuel trim. Ideally, our short-term fuel trim here at an idle should be around 0. You can see this one's holding around 20%. So what we're going to do, I've got some common brake parts cleaner, carburetor cleaner, whatever. There's 1,000 videos on YouTube on how to do this too. But what we're going to do, we're just going to spray this along the intake manifold. We're going to watch the short-term fuel trim, and it should change dramatically down into the negative numbers once we get it near the vacuum leak. Don't be stupid with this stuff. Have a fire extinguisher around. You catch the whole thing on fire. So come over here. I'll show you how we do this. Like I say, ideally we're just going to, we're going to spray this along the intake. We're going to watch the short-term fuel trim. Okay, I'm going to start spraying it now along the intake manifold. You can hear a change in the engine tone. You can see the fuel trim has dropped right down into the negative numbers, trying to reduce the amount of fuel. And then it pops right back up to positive as the solvent disappears. So that's another way you can do it if you have a scan tool. So hopefully this video helps. Like us on Facebook and subscribe to our channel if you find this video helpful.